Hi there, it's Laura the Teach. Today I have another one of my dogs with me. Her name is Bella. She's a Pomeranian. So since we're doing the letter D today, Bella just wanted to say, hi everyone. I'm going to put her down now. The letter D, again, we clip the sound when we say it. It says D, D. And to say D in sign language, we put our hand up, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take all of our fingers except our pointing finger, and we're going to put them up against our thumb. So it looks like that. And there's my Maggie in the background. She came to say hi to everybody. So D in sign language looks like this from the side and this from the front. When we say D again, we say D. I have 3 different fonts or ways to write the letter as shown here. And no matter which font you use or what style, the letter D is pretty much going to look the same. D has one main sound. So again, I'm going to put my hand out. I'm going to bend these fingers and leave my pointing finger straight up so that I make a D. And then I can say my words. D, D, dog. D, D, door. D, D. I'm not going to say duh or da. I'm going to clip that sound and say D, D. So some pictures that we can look at so we can demonstrate how to use the sound of D. We have a D, deer, a dolphin, a dog, like Bella and Maggie. D, D. Make sure you clip that sound. D for deer, dolphin, dog.